Check this out, you heard, man. I want y'all to see this female that's getting ready to lay eggs right now. Check her out. She's small, y'all. I gotta be careful with her. Here she go. Give me a minute. So what I'm trying to show y'all is, see right under the bottom right here? That's her tube out. And then you know she getting ready to lay eggs. She pregnant, y'all. So if y'all see y'all fish at home and she be showing signs like that, see how fat her belly is? Listen, you're gonna get pressure, you're gonna get quality at Brad Flowerhorns, no commodity, everything gonna look good. Look at this fish in the water, man. Beautiful. Check out how deeply red this is right here, super red. All the way across the top. This right here, what you'll call a show male. You can have him at a show, you dig, and show him off. Groom him out real good. This guy right here got multiple colors like a rainbow. Then we got Mr. Scar running around grooming him out too. He's still available for anybody who might be interested in Mr. Scar. And then we got this guy. You dig? Got some nice ones. Look, it's a female right here. Tube coming down. Put some blue and red. Some reds in there, you dig? Some of them swimming out on this side too. Check him out. He hard too. One in the basket. Super blue. This guy here, off the chain. Coloration detail everywhere. Still grooming him too. He's gonna be way bigger. It's the one that's in the basket. Super red. A lot of red on me, dig. This in the sun with it. Beautiful males.